Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. We're going to do a really quick video. This is going to be a follow-up video to one that I did about a year ago. I installed a Pereguard Keel Guard System, basically to help protect the bottom of the kayak. I'll leave a link up to it here as far as how to install that. And in that video, I said I would do a follow-up just to kind of show you how it held up. It's been about a year, so let's take a look and see how well that keel guard has held up. Now we are under the kayak, and actually the whole reason I thought of it was, if you look right here, there's my old town has a sacrificial skid plate, and I noticed that was kind of getting rubbed down, so I went down here and replaced that skid plate. And then while I was here, you can see, like right there, the keel guard has completely rubbed off there. The rest of it seems to be in pretty good shape. Just right there at the keel guard where it gets the most abuse, it has peeled off. I say peeled off, it's just rubbed off. However, it stayed on. That is actually surprising. As much use as I get out of this thing, it's surprising that it stayed on. But that's what you can expect as far as wear and tear after about a year. Let's look at the front of it. All right, let's look down here on the front side. As you can see, it stayed on. After a year's worth of abuse, it has stayed on. However, right here where you can see right here where, where you beach it, it has completely rubbed off. But aside from that, it seems to be in good shape. So, in conclusion, what does all this mean? I don't know. I don't know what my kayak would have looked like without the keel guard. However, it does offer some level of protection to the bottom of the boat. I think if you do most of your beaching and stuff on small ponds and lakes, I think that it would be sufficient. But I guess just the amount of abuse that I put my kayak through, it's just not going to be enough. I would say I need to be easier on it, but that kind of defeats the purpose for what I like doing. I like taking my stuff out into rocky environments, and I need it to, that's just what it is. So I think most of the areas where it's been completely rubbed off, it's from putting it in rivers and beaching it where it's rocks rather than dirt. But that is what it is. Take it for what it's worth, but I promised that I would do a follow-up video, so there it is. I'll leave a link to the last video, so if you want to see how the installation goes, you can see it there. If you like the videos that you see, be sure to like the video, leave some comments down there. Be sure to subscribe. This channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures, so I will be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing.